powering a string of LEDs from your fingertips. This might be hard to see, but that's two 1N60P germanium diodes there. They're connected together at one end and at the other ends, and they're set up in a push-pull configuration, so opposing directions. And then they're connecting to the positive and negative of an LED string, which is running out that way. Now, if I just grab this very end, notice that? Look, see the LEDs come on? So I'm just going to grab the very, very tip, the one that joins to both of those diodes, and there you go. Now, I am the connection that is running those LEDs. Seriously. Nothing else is connected electrically to this string apart from my finger there. I'll let go of that tip there, bang, it's gone. It's hard to show you this, but alright, so there you go. But I grab that tip and they're going again. And this is simply because my body is picking up a RF signal that's being generated as basically an electric field pressure wave, or a longitudinal EM wave. Used to be called an LMD wave, a longitudinal dielectric wave. So there you go. My body's picking up the signal and it's passing through, coming out of my fingers, and then the diodes are making that determination. So, you know, conventional current goes to one, and on the other side of the cycle it draws from the other. And of course the LED string is like a very long capacitor with periodic LEDs across it. There you go. Now, if I move away from the antenna, it gradually gets dimmer, see? So the antenna is just here. It's just one of my little LMD wave experiments on the 40 meter band, and just with the IC705 here. Currently running at 10 watts on 7.191. So that's pretty cool. So I'll come closer. See, the LEDs are not going that strong right now. Where are they? Because I've got my hand close to the antenna, but my body's out here. But if my body is first, I'm now close to the antenna, and the LEDs are on the exit side, then they go quite well. So I got myself stuck there. Now I'll show you something else. Just stand by. So this little RF field strength meter, it's set up as an LMD wave meter as well, but this is not showing much activity because this one I designed for me to become the other part of the system. So where that little green terminal is, I've got that on there temporarily. I would normally touch one of those terminals. I'll show you what I mean now. So I'll put that, get that balanced. If I touch the terminal, you can see I'm now the other side of the system. I allow a path through and the meter goes really strong. But just with this little bit of green wire hanging off, not very strong at all. Now stand by. Now I've connected the end of the green wire to the two diodes again on the LED string. And now you can see the meter is hammering very hard. So the electric field pressure wave from the antenna over here can come into this element here. But now it has a wonderful escape route in the appropriate direction. So that meter is going hell for leather. And now the LEDs are lighting very nicely. So I'll just turn the lights off again for that. So there you go. Cool, huh? So I'll just disconnect that now. As soon as I do that, you notice that meter's lost its sensitivity. Radio's still transmitting on this crazy little antenna experiment. And again, I'll pull the LEDs out, and now I'll just hold the very tip there. And again, I'll get myself closer to the antenna. And they're actually going very nicely. That's just me holding the side that has both of the diodes. If I just touch one end, let's say one side of the circuit, no good. Same with the other side, no good. And of course both sides, no good. I have to touch on the, this end of the two diodes so that it can work out that push-pull for the LEDs. Just a bit of fun. If you got this far, click like, 7.3, and thanks for watching.